From the Kolkata studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10, powered by Safari.
Ladies and gentlemen, on top of the 10 p.m. edition of The Debate, I begin with a super exclusive news break from Kashmir. For the first time on television, an arrested Lashkar terrorist has exposed Pakistan's plot to radicalize youth in Kashmir and train them for repeated Fidaiin attacks in the valley. Watch this chilling interview of the terrorist with the Republic Media Network's Kashmir Bureau Chief Zeenat Zishan Fazil.
There is no better proof than this that how the Pakistan is trying to use the young minds of Kashmir for their dirty game. In fact, I am having with me one of the OGWs who were part of Lashkar Toiba and was planning to repeat Letpora-like attack of 2019. آپ اپنا نام بتائیے.
ساحل نصیر میر.
کہاں کے رہنے والے ہو؟
رنگول پامپور.
تو آپ کو جموں کشمیر پولیس نے اریسٹ کیا ہے، کیا کہانی ہے؟
جی میم، یوزولی ٹیلی گرام پہ کانٹیکٹ تھا، ان ملیٹنٹس کے ساتھ ہوا تھا، تو دھیرے دھیرے ان کے ساتھ بات ہوئی تو انہیں ٹرین کیا، تو پھر انہوں نے ایک گرینیڈ لیا جو ہاسپٹل میں نے پکڑا، تو پھر اس کو میں نے یوز کیا تھا سوجی کیمپ پامپور پہ. تو پھر اسی طرح انہوں نے پھر بعد میں بولا کہ گاڑی وغیرہ لانی ہے، تو فرسٹ مطلب انہوں نے مجھے اسی طرح ٹرین کیا تھا مائنڈ واش. تو پھر انہوں نے مجھے بولا تھا کہ مارچ کے مہینے میں ایکٹیو کریں گے آپ کو، تو جس میں آپ کو اٹیک کرنا ہوگا فدائین.
تو آپ کو بولا گیا کہ فدائین اٹیک کرنا ہے، آپ کو گاڑی میں بیٹھنا تھا، اور ایکسپلوزو کہاں سے لاتے؟
جی میم، گاڑی میں بیٹھنا تھا ہی، تو انہوں نے بولا تھا کہ مطلب جس طرح پہلے گاڑی ارینج ہو جائے گی تو اس کے بعد ہمارے آدمی آئیں گے جو اس کو فکس کریں گے، ہم لگائیں گے، تو پھر مارچ کے مہینے میں آپ کو پھر خالی چلانی ہے اور لگانا ہے، مطلب بلاسٹ کرنا ہے.
تو آپ نے کہاں سے گاڑی خریدی اور گاڑی کے لیے پیسہ کہاں سے آیا؟
جی میم، گاڑی تو میں نے ایسی جو بیچتے رہتے کہ مطلب ہمیں گاڑی بیچنی ہوتی ہے سوشلز پہ، تو اس کے لیے مجھے جی میم اس کے لیے ایڈ آیا تھا، تو اس سے کانٹیکٹ کیا تھا کہ مطلب اس کو گاڑی بھیجنی تھی، اس کی گاڑی کو کال کیا تھا میں نے، مطلب اس کے اونر کو جو ایڈ کر رہا تھا، تو اس کو میں نے بتایا کہ مجھے اس طرح گاڑی چاہیے. تو پھر اسی طرح وہ سنوار کا فار ایگزامپل رہنے والا تو نہیں تھا، مطلب وہیں پر کام کرتا تھا، تو اسی کو اتری گاڑی لے گی میں نے.
تو گاڑی کے لیے خریدنے کے لیے پیسہ کہاں سے آیا؟ کس نے پیسہ دیا؟ کہاں پر پیسہ دیا؟
جی میم، پیسہ تو اسی نے دیا تھا جو جس کے ساتھ کانٹیکٹ میں تھا، خالد بن ولید کے ساتھ. تو اس نے بولا تھا کہ ایک لوکیشن پہ جاؤ سری نگر فٹ برج کے پاس، وہاں سے چلو، تو وہاں سے ایک آدمی آئے گا اس طرح لگا کے کپڑے وغیرہ وغیرہ، تو فون اس طرح ہوگا، اس کے ساتھ بات کرو، پہلے یہ بتاؤ کوڈ کہ سردی ہے بہت. تو پھر اس نے بھی بتایا، تو پھر اس نے پیسے ہینڈ اوور کر دیے وہی.
تو کتنا پیسہ ملا آپ کو فٹ برج پہ؟
70,000.
تو 70,000 میں گاڑی آ گئی؟
70,000 میں نیچے آ گئی گاڑی، تو باقی 45,000 اراؤنڈ آ گئی گاڑی. تو پھر آدھا پیسہ ان کو واپس دینا تھا، مطلب 15,000. ایک بار اس نے بولا کہ ایک لوکیشن پہ جاؤ پانتھ چوک، تو وہاں پر آدمی ہے ہمارا، وہ ڈک کے تھا سارا، تو اس کو 15,000 واپس کرنے پڑے ادھر ہی.
تو جو آپ خالد بن ولید کے ساتھ ٹیلی گرام پہ جو ان کا چینل ہے اس پہ بات کرتے، تو کتنے مہینے سے آپ بات کر رہے تھے؟
اراؤنڈ 6 months میں.
تو کیسے آپ ان کے کانٹیکٹ میں آ گئے؟
جی میں ٹیلی گرام پہ میں کانٹیکٹس مطلب یہ گروپ ڈھونڈ رہا تھا، تو انہوں نے ایک چینل کھولی تھی جس کا نام رکھا تھا السکر میڈیا. جی میم. ओनर का नाम यही मतलब ओपन था कि मतलब कौन पोस्ट कर रहा है, तो उससे बात की मैंने, तो उससे धीरे धीरे रिप्लाई करना शुरू कर दिया। तो मैंने इस तरह बताया कि मैं किधर का हूँ, क्या मेरी पोजीशन है, क्या मेरे हालात थे, तो उसने उसी के मुताबिक मेरे से बात करना स्टार्ट कर दिया और मुझे ट्रेन करता करता गया आगे।
तो खाली ऑडियो कॉल पे बात होती थी या वीडियो चैट भी होता था?
जी मैम, खाली ऑडियो कॉल और चैटिंग, वीडियो कॉल नहीं होती थी।
इसके अलावा उन्होंने कुछ बताया?
जी मैम नहीं, सिर्फ मार्च के महीने में वो ज्वाइन कर दे मुझे और उसके बाद ये ब्लास्ट कराए थे।
तो अगर जो आपको ब्लास्ट करने के लिए आपको बोला गया था, तो आपने एक बार भी नहीं सोचा इसमें आपकी जान चली जाएगी?
जी मैम, इस तरह से उन्होंने ब्रेन वॉश किया हुआ था कि मतलब सोचता ही नहीं था कि मतलब क्या होगा इससे, क्या नहीं होगा।
तो अभी जो है आपको पुलिस ने अरेस्ट कर लिया, तो अब आप क्या सोचते हैं?
जी मैं वो शुक्रगुजार हूँ इनका, क्योंकि मेरा जहन खुल चुका है अब, क्योंकि मैं अभी अब अपनी फैमिली के साथ अंदर रहना चाहता हूँ, उनकी खिदमत करना चाहता हूँ, आगे जाके कुछ करना चाहता हूँ।
तो आपको लगता है कि पाकिस्तान एक बहुत डर्टी गेम खेल रहा है, खासकर कश्मीर के यंगस्टर्स को लेकर, आप जैसे लड़कों को लेकर के आप आ जाओ, आपको पैसा देंगे, फिर आप ये करोगे, तो इस तरह से कई ऐसे लड़के हैं जो इस रास्ते पे है। क्या आप उनको कुछ कहना चाहते हैं या आप कुछ अपने घर वालों के लिए कहेंगे?
सबके लिए कहूँगा कि पाकिस्तान किसी का अच्छा नहीं सोचता है, वो अपने मफाद के लिए सब कुछ करता है। हम कश्मीर के यूथ है, हमें अपनी पहचान बनानी है, खुद हमें पढ़ना है, अपने घर वालों के लिए कुछ करना है, जिससे हमारा कश्मीर का और वतन का नाम रोशन हो जाए।
And the reason we have played that interview is because we serve it with compliments to the terror supporters and the pseudos who say we are right-wing when we talk of the same realities that that terrorist related to Zenith. That's why we are playing this with our compliments to all pseudos and left libs. Ladies and gentlemen, when a party that is led by a woman chief denigrates its woman MLAs to pull off a political tractor stunt, it raises serious questions over the values of the party. Here is what happened. Now let's debate.
March 8th, on Women's Day, outside Haryana Vidhan Sabha, former Haryana Chief Minister Bhupender Singh Hooda was leading Congress tractor protest. While he was on the driver's seat, some women MLAs were seen pulling the tractor. A day after the protests, Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar expressed his pain.
बहुत भारी मन से एक विषय में रखना चाहता हूँ। यहाँ हुड्डा साहब, काद्यान साहब ट्रैक्टर के ऊपर बैठे हैं और उस ट्रैक्टर को खींच रही हैं हमारी बहनें, हमारी कांग्रेस की एमएलए बहनें खरीद रही हैं। टीवी पर चला है और ये बैठे थे वहां ट्रैक्टर के ऊपर। अच्छा होता मान लो इनको एक प्रदर्शन करना भी था, बहनें ऊपर बैठ जाती है, ट्रैक्टर खींचते।
3 days on, there is radio silence from the top leaders of the Congress on this allegedly derogatory style of protests.
Congress party leader sit calmly on a tractor which he's making female Congress worker pull physically. I understand that he wants to protest. I understand that he wants to make a political statement. But should that be done at the cost of women? The Chief Minister of Haryana on the floor of the House, in fact, was so anguished when he said, do protest by all means, but do not reduce the stature of women. And this is irrespective of our politics.
Will a party that has a woman leader at its helm be mute spectators to this alleged insult to women?
एक पॉलिटिकल लीडर बैठा है और उसको एक महिला खींच रही है। ये सारे सिनेरियो को देखते हुए लगता है कि ये कहीं ना कहीं जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी है, कहीं ना कहीं मिसयूज है पावर का। बहुत ही शर्मनाक वाकया है और हमारे पास बहुत कंप्लेंट्स भी आई हैं एनसीडब्ल्यू में। हमने पुलिस को भी लिखा है और हम उनसे भी मांगेंगे कि एक्सप्लेनेशन किस प्रकार से उन्होंने ऐसा कार्य में हिस्सा लिया।
With a loss of face in the Haryana Assembly over trust vote and the tractor stunt backfiring, has the Vadra Congress completely lost the plot? Let's debate.
Saira Shah Halim, I would like to know how many times you have tweeted on this subject today. Please tell Renu Bhatia, spokesperson of the BJP in Karnataka, Smita Prakash, Pratik Som, Anand Ranganathan, all of us, how many times you have tweeted on this since this morning?
I'm busy tweeting on West Bengal Assembly election. My husband is standing for election, so I really haven't bothered to find out who's doing what. I'm more interested in my state. I'm more interested in my state, West
You can't bother to find
and
out.
my husband is My husband.
Yeah. So you never speak on. You never speak on issues outside Bengal.
Regarding this topic, regarding topics, regarding I think Miss Smriti Irani is being very misogynistic because here it was a symbol of empowerment. They were trying to show that how egalitarian they are in their approach. But this has been taken out of context, unfortunately. Why can't women today? Women are joining the army.
Women pulling a tractor and Bhupinder Hooda sitting on it. Women pulling a tractor. Bhupinder Hooda sitting on it. Not important enough to respond to.
Please don't make.
Not important enough to respond to. No, I take your point. I'm not questioning you. It's your mindset. It's your mindset. Renu Bhatia, please. Renu Bhatia, look at the mindset. Look at the mindset. It's a mindset to subjugate women. It's a mindset to subjugate women. It's a mindset to treat women like that. Women are pulling the tractor and Hooda is plonking himself on the driver's seat. Yeah. Renu Mittal on the right, yeah.
Arnab, I'm shocked to hear this from this young lady.
No, this is not about BJP. Hooda is not from the BJP. 1 minute. Renu Bhatia.
This young lady has. I can understand that they have to keep their Aka happy by doing all these kind of things. But does this suit? I don't think so. This should have been done. And what kind of mindset my young lady has? Who is saying all this ki women to
what mindset is this? Renu Mittal is a senior journalist.
Of course, women have to.
Renu Mittal is a senior journalist. Good to see you after a long time, Renu. Renu, what is this mindset? I'm looking at the mindset. Look at the arrogance. Look at the chauvinistic arrogance of the Vadra Congress leadership. Bhupinder Hooda is sitting on a tractor and he's making female Congress MLAs drag the tractor. He's plonking himself on that seat out there. It's massive misogynistic messaging. Why is Priyanka Vadra so quiet? Why don't they speak? Haryana Assembly has 9 women. 2 of them are dragging tractors.
Arnab, one point you must understand is that the engine was never put on. It was a protest to talk about the petrol, the diesel and the other hikes that have taken place. Now these are not just women, they're MLAs.
Anand.
They have been elected. Do they have an identity outside of being a woman? When Smriti Irani talks about it, is she only a woman? She is not only a woman, she is a mantri, she is an MP, she has been a TV star, she has so many identities. Now these women talk about equality. You are equal to men, okay. So you are protesting along with, 1 minute, please let me finish. When you're protesting along with the men. You are as equal as them. So what is this thing about misogyny and this and that and inequality? We're talking about women who have been elected. That lady who is pulling the tractor, who is there as a symbolic protest. She is an elected MLA. She is an elected MLA, Arnab. We must understand that, you are, I think, just totally confusing issues. What are we talking about
an
here?
elected
Women
MLA
are doing all kinds of...
Yeah, why does as Khattar rightly said, why didn't Khattar, if it's about a protest.
She's a woman minister.
No, if it's about a protest, then why didn't Khattar pull it?
No, Mr. Khattar is just...
Why didn't Khattar pull the tractor and why didn't the women MLAs sit on the tractor?
No confidence with great difficulty.
Madam, please,
he has had to give...
No, why didn't Mr. Hooda pull the tractor?
It was a proactive protest.
Anand and Renu.
It was a proactive protest. So that it survives. What are we talking
Yes,
about?
madam, can you
talking
please?
about equality
I've
between
been-
men and women.
Yes.
And here you are
Madam, I've
denigrating
given
these
you-
women. You are making
You've had
them
your
look
time, ma'am.
as though she's only a woman. No, she has an elected.
I am denigrating the
MLA.
women, Renu.
She has a right to protest.
I am denigrating the
anyway
women,
she wants.
Renu.
We've heard
No, you are
By
denigrating.
asking these
Madam,
questions,
please
I am
give others a chance.
denigrating.
Yes, you are. You are denigrating.
Please give
her,
others
no?
a chance, madam.
No, I'm denigrating. Renu, come on now. What can, what, no, no, 1 minute. I take issue with you. Renu, Rahul Gandhi says rape in India. They are the ones who make sexist comments on the finance minister. They are the one who make comments against rape victims.
Rahul Gandhi here. Talk about
Arnab.
what's happening in Haryana. I'm sorry, Arnab. We are denigrating our women.
Madam, this is
because
ridiculous
these are women have
because
come up the
you
hard
asked for
way.
your
They
time
have
and
been
I gave it to
elected
you.
by the people.
And now
They
you're
are
eating into
women
my
who are
time.
equal
This is
to men.
unfair.
They are protesting against
Please
what
don't do
this
that.
BJP government is doing at the center. They have a right to protest. No,
Oh,
please listen to me.
dear
They have
Lord.
a right to protest.
I'm sorry,
Yes,
Renu.
Madam, thank
Renu,
you.
I'll
what
tell you one
happens
thing.
in Nandigram?
Okay, Anand, yeah, come on.
I've heard you for 3
But
minutes,
what
madam.
happens here? Then what?
Please.
There has to be
Yes,
a,
Arnab,
there
can
has
I
to be
please
a
come
level
in?
playing field, Arnab, everywhere.
Madam, please.
You can't just take it on as you like and when you like. And it's Smriti
Yes.
Irani wants to talk
Madam,
on every
please
issue
hear
under
me
the
out.
sun. Because it
Please.
suits the BJP government. She doesn't.
Please
she
hear me
is
out, madam,
more than a
please.
woman. She has been a great actor. She is a great
Arnab,
minister. Is that
you
all
got
her
your match
identity is of
here.
being a woman? She's equal to.
Now you are no, Renu, wait a minute now. Renu, 1 minute, Anand, 1 minute,
There
wait, 1
goes
minute,
my
1 minute,
time.
1 minute. One
Yes,
minute, 1
yes,
minute.
Arnab,
Renu, I have
No,
your
I
chance
won't.
doesn't go, yeah. Come on now, please understand.
Arnab,
Please understand, Anand, your chance doesn't go. Please don't play victim now. You know, please understand. Listen to me.
In his own program.
Listen, I have to have the last word with Renu. I have to have the last word with Renu. Problem is I'm not interrupting her because when I was a young reporter,
Always have the last word
I'm still
with
young.
Arnab.
I'm still young, but when I was a younger reporter, when I was
You were
younger,
still young.
when I was younger, at that point of time, Renu was a senior journalist on the Congress beat, and we used to be very quiet when she spoke. She was a lady of great
Much
wisdom.
younger,
As a
much
lady of
younger.
great wisdom, she should say, she says she doesn't remember a few things nowadays. Unfortunately for Renu now, she's got selective memory. Renu, Nirmala Sitharaman in a tweet, Rahul Gandhi, instead of apologizing for his sexist comments against Nirmala Sitharaman, he said to Nirmala Sitharaman, be a man and answer my question. Who's sexist? Sexism is in the very roots of the Vadra Congress. He said, be a man and answer my question.
No, you see, Arnab.
He said to Narendra Modi, be a man. What did he mean by saying be a man?
From the issue. The issue is.
I'm not deviating, I'm countering.
We need equality. And we are fighting for equality every day of our lives. Tomorrow I'm standing on the road, I'm covering an event.
All right.
You'll say, why is this leader making this woman
Renuji,
stand
please
on the
don't be
road?
Renuka
No,
ji.
you're not. I'm doing my job standing on the road covering that event. So I'm equal to any male reporter anywhere. I have to stand there and do my job. These MLAs are doing their job. They're protesting.
You are the one who's diverting right now. So if you are equal to all male reporters, then why didn't Bhupendra Arora pull the tractor? Okay, Anand's on debate. I'm saying women empowerment is only in words for this party. Anand.
He was only
Anand and Smita hasn't even spoken here.
He's sitting there.
I'm tempted to get in Smita, but otherwise Anand will also come in. Anand, come on now. Anand, stop being so polite. I've asked you 3 times to come into the debate.
Yes, you've been going on for the last 10 minutes. You know, we can't have a debate like this. Please allow others to have a chance. Please. Thank you. Arnab, first of all, I wish you all the best. To your husband, I'm sure he's not going to lose the deposit. Now, Arnab, as far as this incident is concerned, the whole enactment, to be honest with you, has left a very unsavory taste in the mouth. Because even if this was symbolic, there shouldn't have been anyone on the tractor, which Mr. Hooda was. As far as pulling the tractor is concerned, I do agree with Renuji. I think we are, or rather the BJP is making a mountain out of a molehill. If there were other male MLAs mingling with the female MLAs pulling it, you can call it women empowerment or equality rather than being misogynist. But as far as, now hear me out, as far as sensitivity towards women and misogyny is concerned, it was amazing to see Mr. Khattar crying tears in the assembly, because both Mr. Hooda and Mr. Khattar, for them it is a race to the bottom. They both support Khap Panchayat and their draconian actions. And number two, the most important thing, Mr. Khattar, and I quote him, he said, if women want freedom, why don't they run around naked? And he blamed rape on what women wear. So both Mr. Hooda and Mr. Khattar need to be given a book on how to be sensitive towards women issues. But as far as this is concerned, it has left an unsavory taste in the mouth. You cannot deny that.
You're very restrained today, Anand. You're balancing things a little bit.
Because BJP has turned his
balancing things.
No, why?
BJP has
Why is
turned
it
his blind eye on
Where
these
is the
farmers'
balancing?
protests. These women are the one who is holding the fort on the borders at this given point of time.
No, there is no balancing. I'm just being objective.
Anand, we also want to know what kind of sympathy we are carrying for the women. Because these women are the ones who are responsible for running the kitchen, for running the house.
I would say,
look at the inflation level because of the fuel.
Running the kitchen.
Anand,
oh my God!
Very deplorable state.
Oh my God! How charitable of this Congress supporter. Women are responsible for running the kitchen.
Serious concern. Look at the level
you heard that.
The women empowerment.
Now that is certainly a behavior from Chetan. You should apologize for that. How do you know that the women MLAs? Are busy running the kitchen? Can't their husbands be running the kitchen? That's certainly a misogynistic comment.
My goodness, what are you talking about? Now we're going to have a debate on these subjects also. Anand, you are such an intelligent person. You are a very intelligent person. I don't want to get into the, what aboutry. We should not beat around the bush. Let's core issues. Core issues are the fuel prices. Core issues the farmers protest. We are not being able to understand that. And you are just getting into the what about.
Thank you.
Why are we?
Thank you. We have heard your views. Can I comment? This is nothing more than.
Thank you, Chetan. You made one faux pas. You don't want to make a second one in one show.
Arnab, this is nothing more than flogging the dead horse, because Haryana Congress doesn't have any other better things to do. 15 months of governance of BJP, JJP government in Haryana, and they don't even have a single issue of corruption. And in their governments, whole of Haryana knew that how the CLU Raj was established, how the farmers' lands were stolen, and now they have all drama of the world to do. Yes, gentlemen, let me please don't make it a fish market. I know you are habitual of it. Please keep your cool. Let me complete. Yesterday, Congress launched in Haryana no confidence motion, and let me tell you, they were very badly defeated. It was 55-32.
You are misguiding the nation. You are not talking about the actual point. Today, the BJP has lost the moral right to speak about women and the respect for women. You are talking about
aren't you supporting the party that wants a fisheries ministry?
Yesterday, your leader
I will tell you what happened in
Karnataka. Motion in Haryana Assembly. And let me tell you,
Pratik Som and Renu.
Where was Smriti Irani ji when the CD was making rounds?
Are you even aware what happened in Haryana Assembly yesterday? It was 55-32.
Pratik and Renu.
Congress is nowhere in Haryana now. They are history. People know that they are only misguiding farmers. They are trying to capitalize on it.
Focused.
Yesterday,
please remain focused. I go back to the main issue.
The main issue is, Arnab, the main issue is that they don't have an
core issue, please.
The only issue they want to make a drama out of all
No, but
Pratik. It is
Pratik, what is the core issue? The core issue today, Smita, is tractors. All kinds of tractors. Formula 1 tractors, luxury tractors, tractors with cushions, tractors with 2 cushioned seats, tractors. I'm only getting on the screen Smita now, otherwise she's really going to be angry. She's not got a chance to speak. Now, tractors with cushions, tractors with sofas, tractors with cushioned seats, Amrinder Singh on one side, Rahul Gandhi on the other side, tractors with engines, tractors without engines, tractors that must be burnt, tractors that must be thrown off the bridge, tractors, and you're getting obsessed with tractors. So the issue is tractors. But this is the worst kind of tractors on which Bhupinder Hooda is sitting and women are pulling. And Renu is saying today that this is a form of women's empowerment, Smita. Her entire argument was, by sitting on a tractor pulled by women, Bhupinder Hooda is empowering these women. That was the point that Renu made. Smita.
Of women empowerment. I said we are talking about...
I do many things I never misrepresent.
Let's talk about equality. I think the fact that you can't distinguish between men and women...
Smita.
Yeah, I think what has happened is that, we were talking about imagery. I think what was done was that Mr. Huda had a ghastly depiction of the fuel price hike. To have women pull a tractor while men sitting on the hill, on the wheel, Mr. Huda should have known better, especially when the president of his party is a woman who's been hailed as one of the most powerful women in the country. And the party has given a woman prime minister to this country, which I think Renuji covered during her beat reporting. I mean, how can a former Congress chief minister commit such a gross act of chauvinism? I want to know, because Mr. Huda is also a good friend of Priyanka Vadra and her husband, who promote the cause of women's rights all the time. Would they approve of what he did? Haryana is anyway infamous for its patriarchal system, where the son holds the center stage all the time, and ghastly thing called female feticide happens in that state. So the last thing you want to do is show something in which women are shown to be at a lower level. You know, as soon as these pictures went on television screens, there were many, you know, who were in the Congress IT cell who put pictures of, you know, women washing the feet of the priests, or of Rath Yatra being pulled by men and things like that. There's something for the customs and traditions which are changing, and which some of them which are continuing. But this was a political stunt. There was absolutely no need. I think Mr. Huda should have known better than to showcase women in a poor light while protesting about fuel price hike.
At the same
His job as a leader is to help women battle social prejudices. He should have had a woman on the tractor. He should have been pulling the tractor.
Intent was absolutely clear. Intent was there.
Sir, what I was trying to say is that he should have had a woman sitting on the tractor, and Mr. Huda should have been pulling the tractor. That would have shown that societal battles, prejudices in Haryana are a thing of the past. As far as the Congress is concerned, it is going to push for that. That is what will happen.
Very loud and clear.
Yeah, I agree with that.
I hear the tone, I hear the attitude, I hear the comments, I hear what she is trying to say. The fact that, you know, this entire theme is women, take it on as a woman thing. Did you notice that on March 8th, lakhs and lakhs of women farmers came out to protest, more than the men. So you see, women are at the forefront of this battle, and this MLA has decided that she is at the forefront, and so is her, so is the other MLA with her. You guys are making out as though something terrible has happened. You know, Smita Prakash is using words like heinous and gross. I don't know where she gets them from, and I don't know whose dictation she's spouting in this way. It's terrible. The fact that being a woman, she cannot appreciate what these other women are trying to do in terms of their political,
talk about the issue at hand. I have my point of view, you have your point of view. I never use the word heinous.
You are not talking about issue.
You seem to be hearing things from some other planet. I don't understand.
You please
don't
go
attack
back
me.
into...
Talk about issues. There is nothing that I'm trying to say. I'm saying what I have to say. You might be trying to say something when you're using certain words. I don't. I say exactly what I'm saying.
You're plugging an agenda. That's all you're doing. You have been doing it in every TV debate.
There is no dictation. There is no agenda. Talk about yourself.
So you
are the beat reporter who has got compromised.
My dear, let's not go there.
You are the one who's got an agenda. Why don't you come out in the open and say it, that you've got compromise, you've got a Stockholm syndrome after doing a beat for so long.
Please don't shout. Please don't shout. Please don't shout, just pipe down. What I'm saying is that a woman MLA who has been elected.
Oh, what do you think you are doing? What do you think you are doing?
You know, giving out her
you have been
views.
Talking down everybody. You've been filibustering, and you think nobody's going to do that to you?
You are doing it every day. No, I am saying that the issue of equality has to be addressed.
Why are we discussing individual issues?
What do you think?
I am on the issue. The issue is what she said. No, Renu, what she said.
Just like you got invited.
Renu, if we debate something, Renu, let's look at the point that Smita made. Now, please, yeah. The point she made is, and I want to take the point on my shoulders, and Renu Bhatia is the spokesperson of the BJP, I am saying that there is nothing wrong with women pulling tractors. What is wrong is when their leader encourages the women to pull him on a tractor. Renu Bhatia, the issue is not let women pull tractors. It's a symbolic protest. But when the leader sits and tells the women, you pull me on a tractor, then questions will be asked.
You're very correct, Arnab. you are very correct that exactly when women is pulling a tractor in her fields, that makes another sense. But when a woman is being told to pull a tractor, Hooda sitting on the tractor and other MLAs sitting on the tractor, makes no sense. I'm very sorry to say Renu Mittal ji is a very senior journalist. In fact, I am a journalist too, but she is so senior to us. But what kind of ideology she is giving right now for a women? Smita ji clearly said that it's not that women empowerment makes any sense here. It is women empowerment everywhere. We want women empowerment, but it's not that we want women empowerment like this. Had it been farming, the women pulling tractor,
a very real example
would have made a very solid sense, but not like this.
No. I want to ask a question.
I want to tell you.
My follow-up question now. No, my follow-up question, Renu Bhatia, I have a follow-up question. Please note my follow-up question. An objective question.
Okay.
A straight question. A fair question. A balanced question. A relevant question. A contextual question, Anand Ranganathan. But the most appropriate question, as always, is the following. If Priyanka Vadra had been there, would she have been sitting on a sofa or pulling the tractor? Would the great Hooda be sitting on a tractor on a cushioned seat with Priyanka Vadra pulling the tractor? Correct. The nation wants to know. Can you visualize Priyanka Vadra pulling a tractor and Hooda sitting on the seat?
Arnab, I don't understand.
Absolutely not.
Arnab,
he would be sweeping the street in front of Priyanka Vadra if he was pulling the tractor.
Why are you trying to demean this protest? You need to understand what is the reason the protest is done.
I'm asking Renu to answer me.
What is the reason the protest is done?
I'm asking Renu Mittal to answer me today that would Priyanka Vadra be pulling a tractor with Hooda sitting there?
Protest was about inflation, which the government has failed miserably.
Yeah, so I know the protest is about, but would Priyanka Vadra be sitting there? Would Sonia Gandhi be pulling a tractor?
Priyanka Vadra.
The entire country's women are going through an agony and distress.
Priyanka Vadra is a member of a political party. She is protesting in UP and other places. It's her politics. If she feels like pulling, she can pull. If she wants to protest, she can find her own way to protest. You see, the point is that that's the point we are making. That
Smita and Anand, no, it's a relevant question.
Mantri,
the point I'm making is it's about point I'm making is about sexism.
Very relevant.
And the answer to your question is
to be equal to
the answer to your question is as follows, which is that Mr. Hooda would not be.
I think you are making
now,
a
Miss Mittal, you know, this is
about a protest,
you're incorrigible. You just don't stop.
Huge amount of
please, this is my chance. Arnab has asked me to speak. Can you please allow others to respond? Arnab, can I please continue? Irrespective.
Please.
Thank you. Arnab, your question was absolutely relevant, and the fact of the matter is, if Priyanka Vadra was pulling the tractor, Hooda would have got down from that chair and rushed to the front, taken a broom and swept the streets in front of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. So that's a fact. But number two,
Priyanka Gandhi is
Hear that tonight at 10:36.
Now, please. Why do you run away from the actual question? You don't want to answer the actual question. Anand Ranganathan, just one question to you. When the country is going through a distress, when the country is going through a price rise, you don't want to answer.
Come on now.
The question. Now, Arnab, you know, I can handle one heckler, but I can't handle two hecklers.
Answer the actual questions. Have the guts to answer.
1 second.
Aslamji, you
that question is a storm in a teacup.
Have the guts to answer.
And in a car.
Have the guts to
answer. And the tea is spilling.
You don't have the guts to answer the nation, and you misguide people.
Please think about what the driver would be thinking.
No moral right to talk
Please think about the driver. Please, you're sitting inside a car.
No moral right to
don't behave like this. Now, Arnab, can I please continue? First of all,
what don't?
Now, 1 second. I don't have a moral right. Can you explain that? Why do you say I don't have a moral right to talk about women? How dare you say that? Who are you to tell me?
It's not you.
Why did you say that?
We are talking about BJP. We are talking about BJP. If you are supporting the government, even you don't have it. Have you forgotten what has happened in Karnataka?
Please stop interrupting.
Okay, Syed Abbas.
What has happened in Karnataka?
Link up with his driver
Can I-
and ask the driver to
Where
drive
were the
on.
ministers?
How
Where
can
were
I
the
carry on like
so-called
this?
women ministers? What this CD was doing?
1
now?
minute.
Where were these ministers?
1 second
Where
now,
was
my
the
co-op.
NCW chief?
My question has
Where
stunned
was the
everyone
NCW
tonight.
chief with the CD
My question has
out?
stunned everyone.
The minister is...
My question has stunned everyone. It's a boomerang I threw and it's come back right in my hand tonight. Nobody's got an answer to my question. Pratik, nobody's answering my question
I have
tonight.
answered you.
Nobody.
No, I did.
Nobody.
The gentleman.
Would Priyanka Vadra, I asked the question to Priyanka Vadra. Would Priyanka Vadra must tell the nation whether she would be pulling a tractor with Huda sitting on it?
It is not a party where the dictatorship is there.
The gentleman
Priyanka
is not
Vadra must
even
say
aware
that.
for what reasons this protest was happening. Let me tell you, Arnav,
What
that
Priyanka ji would have done.
Arnav, let me tell you, when central government,
what exactly, she is also one such person who
2014
consider
included
herself as a
tractor in a
Karyakarta
commercial category
of this
list.
particular party. So therefore,
My
there is
leader,
no point
literally
peddling a
wrote
narrative which
the
is
tractor
not.
in the parliament, and he forced the central government to withdraw that notification. That is a protest which people, Haryana and other farmers need, not this.
Ladies and gentlemen,
media that
and ladies and gentlemen,
but actually,
ladies and gentlemen, getting a fantastic response to Arnab Online. I'm going to give out my views on the subject. I'm going to write something out on Arnab Online right after the program, just to keep the discussion seamless.